Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can log your period end in Flo. So guys, if you guys don't know how to log in your end of your period on your app Flo, then this video is for you. First of all, you need to be in the app library, and now just go ahead and open Flo. And once you're in this page, all you need to do is look over at the top left corner where the avatar is and just scroll down till you find reminders over here. It's right above help. So once you're there, you'll see many options like period in a couple of days, period end, period start, ovulation, contraception, log weight, log sleep, log temperature, drink water, and many options. We should just go ahead and tap on period end over here. So guys, if your period has ended, all you need to do is just turn on this button, and there you go. You have just logged in that your period has ended. So guys, that's how you log your period end in Flo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.